We should know how to handle, not only how to handle success, how to handle the failures. Particularly you are in the management environment, Wharton, I want the young people to understand how to manage the failure. Because any task you do, you have to come across problem. Problem should not become the captain of the individual or a project chief.